Eye to Eye came away in a break. Epaulet was fast away. So too Glenburn Red. 5-card draw was fast out. Next, Beef City Safari. A break back to Markio Marky. Eye to Eye. Rearing to go Max Richter. Umbro Tihi. And at the tail is Well Caught Marsh. The leader is Kai Valley Rap. Going for a break there was hell of a first strike. Epaulet is now second. He'll soon challenge for the lead. Glenburn Red, third. 5-card draw, fourth. Next, Beef City Safari, working around the galloping hell of a first strike. Then Markio Marky, raring to go Max. Eye to Eye, Umbro Tihi, and about 35 metres further back to Well Caught Marsh. Lead time 42.7. Down the back straight, Kai Valley Rap in front, leads at 5 metres. Epaulet second, Glenburn Red third. 5-card draw fourth. About 20 metres away in the field now, we had Markio Marky, who races on the outside of Raring to Go, Max Richter, Umbro Tihi, Eye to Eye, Beef City Safari, taken to the outside of the track. Then Well Caught Marsh, and at the tail, hell of a first strike. The first quarter, 30.3. Kai Valley Rap goes keen in front, leading 5 metres. Epaulet second, Glenburn Red third. 5-card draw fourth. That quartet have a lead of about 25 metres to Markio Marky, raring to go Max Richter. Umbro Tihi, longer margins, Eye to Eye. Next, Well Caught Marsh, hell of a first strike, and Beef City Safari being retired from the trial. 800 metres left to go. Second split, 31.5. Half in 61.8. Kai Valley Rap into the back straight, leading at 5 metres. Epaulet to the outside. Next 5-card draw, Glenburn Red, Markio Marky. 8 metres to Raring to Go. Umbro Tihi, Max Richter. Longer margins, Eye to Eye. Well Caught Marsh, and hell of a first strike. Down the back straight, Kai Valley Rap leading it by a head. Epaulet matching him on the outside. Leaders back, Glenburn Red, then 5-card draw, Markio Marky, raring to go, Umbro Tihi, Max Richter. Third quarter, 29.7. Going to the lead now, Epaulet takes over. 5-card draw, giving chase. Making some ground deeper on the track, Markio Marky. Glenburn Red squeezing away from the inside. They're into the home straight. Epaulet by a margin of 5 metres. 5-card draw second. Glenburn Red back to the inside. Then Markio Marky. But Epaulet takes it out. Epaulet by 8 metres. Second, 5-card draw just in front of Glenburn Red. Then Markio Marky. A break to Raring to Go. Kai Valley Rap, Umbro Tihi, Max Richter. Longer margins, Well Caught Marsh, Eye to Eye. Hell of a first strike. Beef City Safari retired. 28.6 to 2.5. 42.7, 30.3, 31.5, 29.7, 28.6. So 42.7 was the lead time. Then 30.3, 31.5, 29.7, 28.6. $4.11.8 the result, 4.11.8. My order rate 22.5. 22.5 was the my order rate. 29.7, 28.6 the last half.